Jim Schenk, who just completed, here we are, February, I don't know, 15th, 2024. I've got this Oahu guitar for $75 in Allegan, Michigan. Now granted, I put a lot of money into it, but it's just a unique little parlor, 2000 or 1920s or 1930s. We put on a brand new ebony fretboard, brand new ebony bridge and saddle. Of course, this was played as a lap steel. So yeah, it's not the original guitar, but it was, for me, it was not playable that way, and I wasn't really interested in keeping it as a lap steel. So I thought, let's go for it. And Jim has done a wonderful job. Just looks fantastic. He's put on some of this stuff. It's called Teddy's polymerized tongue oil paste. So I have to look into getting some of that. Now, tell me more about the radius you put on it, and what do you think of that? Was that a good decision, bad decision?
Oh, there on
yeah,
here?
Put a slight radius.
Yeah, 16-inch.
Yeah. But they used to. This guitar used to have. It looked like an ebony fretboard, but it's basically mystery crappy fiberwood. I don't even know what they called the wood, nor does Jim, or they call it mystery wood apparently. But I did some of the work, but I let the doctor actually handle the real surgery because I was going to mess it all up. So if you're interested in getting professional work done, consider Jim Schenk down here in Goshen. But anyway, here's
you want these?
Yeah, sure. As you can tell, this was my doing, but thank God it went that way as opposed to coming out of the actual neck itself. This stuff is terrible, though. It's just really bad. And then we got new frets on it. And here's the original bridge. Also, in my opinion, I know people sentimentally want to keep things original. It's pretty much junk in my opinion, but you know what I might do, thank you, is if we ever have to put a bridge plate on there, is use this piece, grind it down. You think it'd be strong enough? It'd basically be a reverse.
If I do it, I would just do like a very
small. Don't go anything beyond there.
Just to reinforce. It's fine. Some people actually use like a really thin layer of brass and put it under there.
I've seen that.